I'm here at the Wilmington property. Today, July 23rd. We have an AC technician because one of the, actually Smoky Doki, the units, both, there are two AC units, but both of them stopped working. And also that unit right there, it's not working. It has not been working for like 6 months. Since they moved, the new tenants moved in, it has not been working. So we're gonna check it out, and I'm gonna go up there and see what's going on. It looks like the filter never got changed, and that one seems like working. And this is the filter. Oh yeah, so they put the last time they changed is a 21, so older than 3 years. Okay, so we're gonna replace a capacitor. So this one should be working once we put a new capacitor. And for that one, they said that there's no freon gas, and it has to be, they have to wait until all the ice is melted. Until ice is melted. So, and also we're gonna go check out that side too. Yeah. Now we are at another unit, and then we found the motor, the fan motor went bad, so they're gonna order new